Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. This week's theme is Independence Day, and nothing says Independence Day like fireworks. So we're going to do some firework nails. As you can see, my nails are blue. I have used, for a change, this is a sinful color. No, not a sinful color. Sinful color. This is a sinful shine. And I got it for my birthday a few years ago, so I don't know how much it is, but it's nice and blue. And then for the fireworks, we're going to have red fireworks and silver fireworks, which are kind of like white fireworks, but these are more realistic. So there might be a little bit of mixing going on, and we might end up with some pink fireworks, but I'm hoping these two will go well because we're going to combine them together on this template, which is a bundle monster, it looks like. I got it for New Year's. And it's got a nice firework pattern right there. I am using a Kings Island Gold Pass to scrape today. I find this to work a lot better than the scraper that came with it, which I have been using the past few weeks. And then I have my clear jelly stamper as always, and I have some nail polish remover, acetone free in case I mess up, and a good quick dry top coat, and we're all ready to go. Alright, so let's start by cleaning this plate. Make sure it's all ready to go. As you can see, my nails are already dry and ready to go. And this has some gold on it from New Year's, so I want to make sure this is nice and clean. Alright, and I'm going to clean my jelly stamper with this lint roller. This is a bit messy. I thought about putting some latex down, but I'm going to be adventurous today because I don't like using that latex. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my two polishes. They're red and silver from Bundle Monster, which is now called Maniology. And get them ready. And I'm going to kind of just dot them on. I want to make the bigger ones red. That one, that one. And that one. And that one. There's a cat fight going on back there. Not a malicious cat fight, though. Just one of them boys playing. Alright, and then the smaller ones, I want silver. And hopefully this will turn out. I am going to actually scrape this. See what happens. And then I'm going to pick it up. Oh, that looked really good. But because this is the first time I've ever tried this, I'm going to put that on my sticky tape and see if it looks okay. And I think it turned out all right. So we're going to go ahead and redo that one more time. And this time we're going to actually put it on our nails. Why they gotta be playing with their toys while I'm doing this? It looks like I pretty much only got like one thing on my actual nail, but it's my pinky, so we'll move on. I don't know what is going on with my stampers, but they keep falling out. And they didn't always do this. It's just a new feature and all of them are doing that. I don't know. All right. I'm not doing anything differently that I think of. All right, let's do that one more time. Probably have more nail polish on there than I need to. Ha! Is it doing that? Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing that on all of my nails, and I'm going to be right back.